The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department and is designated for the following counties: Essex County, Middlesex County, Suffolk County, Norfolk County, Bristol County, Plymouth County, and Barnstable County. At approximately 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, civil authorities reported sightings of weird creatures roaming around near the Boston area and many other parts of eastern Massachusetts. These creatures, known as snow crashers, are entities that disguise themselves as Christmas trees, and are typically around 1.5 to 2.5 meters tall. At first glance, they look almost indistinguishable to a normal Christmas tree. However, they display limited mobility and potentially predatory behavior. They commonly like to hide themselves by positioning themselves in places where a normal Christmas tree would be, like in a household or a shopping mall, and only move when left alone. The best way to check if your Christmas tree isn't a snow crasher is to leave some cookies on a plate near it, leave the room it's in, and come back 5 minutes later. If the cookies are still there, then it means your Christmas tree is safe. However, if the cookies are gone, then your Christmas tree is likely a snow crasher that ate them. If this is the case, then evacuate your house and call the authorities as soon as possible. The Boston Police Department and Suffolk County Police Department are working their hardest to contain the situation. Thank you for your time.